Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing something so cool and I'm super excited about it. But let me go ahead and introduce myself. So I am Brittany Rivers. I'm the owner of Casino Lashes. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, Casino Lashes, or www.casinolashes.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of business vlogs, a lot of business tips. I feel like my nose is a little too shiny. But okay, so today I'm showing you all how to set up QUADPAY on your store. QUADPAY, you guys. I am obsessed with QUADPAY. So if you don't know, QUADPAY is like split your payments into 4 on like every website, in person and everything. Like they give you a credit, like a debit card number or whatever, a card number to use, and you can just type it in and it splits your payment in 4. You pay 25% now, and then every 2 weeks you pay another 25%. But I'm actually setting that up on my website store, Casino Lashes. So when you do that, it says, okay, I have it right here. It can increase your conversion rate by 20% and your average order value by up to 60%. So I know, like, if you shop on Fashion Nova or anything, any place that offers QUADPAY, like, you know, you end up spending more because, like, I know I look at it like, oh, I'm only spending, what, $50 on this $200 order. Like, I am obsessed. Anywhere I can use QUADPAY, I do, no matter how much money I have. So I'm so excited to have that on my store. So today I'm going to show you how I set that up. And I'm also going to show you all a few other things on Shopify I haven't updated you on in a while. And another thing. I'm super excited. I have a Shopify affiliate link. So if you're with someone else, like Big Cartel or something, or you don't have a website at all for your business, use my Shopify link that will be in the description box for a free trial and to help me out a little bit, you guys. But yeah, you get a free trial so you can just try it out. If you don't end up wanting to use Shopify, you don't have to. But why not try it? So let's go ahead and get into this video, and I'm going to show you all how I do this. What I did was go to QUADPAY.com, and you're just going to click sign up. And it shows you this. Of course, you're signing up as a business. And you fill out all of this. It's just your first name, business, phone, job title, company, website, platform. So the platform is like, so I use Shopify. So it's like your website host, really. Your industry, annual sales, like the lowest they have is less than $1 million. So yeah. Average order value, and then United States. So, and from there, you just submit that, and then you're going to wait for a confirmation email from them. Okay, so I got the confirmation email from them. It took maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm just going to read a little bit to you all. So it just tells you your website has been approved. So you guys, you will get paid the next business day in full. So QUADPAY has like its own little processing place where your payouts will be on there. You'll get your money in full, and QUADPAY is the one the customer pays. So that's something I was kind of worried about. So it says QUADPAY increases conversion by 10 to 20%. So that's how many people that come to your website that end up checking out. It says the only fee associated with QUADPAY is a 5.9% plus 30-cent transaction fee. This is inclusive of your current merchant processing fees. So I guess every order that uses QUADPAY, they will take 30 cents off plus 5.9%, whatever your whatever that order was worth. So from there, I'm supposed to click a link, so I'm going to do that right now. But I'm going to get on the computer to do that. So now there's a new about me form kind of thing I have to fill out. So I just have to like tell them about my business name, store website, basically the same questions. But I'm going to go ahead and fill this out right now. Okay, so I signed up for Stripe. Stripe is like the payment processor for QUADPAY in a way. So you will have to put in like your EIN and everything, where you want payments to go, and that goes in Stripe. Okay, guys, so for QuadPay, you do need to be legal, like what I was saying. So Stripe is the payment processor, and you put in your EIN, which is almost like the social security number for your business. So I don't have an EIN because I'm the only employee, and it was extra. So I was like, I don't need that. So it was only $70 extra, but I didn't want to pay that because my LLC alone was $307 in the state of Tennessee. So when they ask for your EIN, if you didn't sign up with one, just use your social security number, which they say is okay. But right now it says it may take a few minutes, so I'm just waiting on that. Merchant portal, which has all the orders that'll be with QuadPay, transactions, payments, settings, and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look at all this. So I don't have anything yet, of course. But right now I'm at the point where I'm going to try to integrate it into my actual website. Okay, so here you're going to go to your website theme and you're going to edit your code. I know coding looks so scary, but what you're going to look for is the theme liquid, which I didn't see at first, but it was right there at the top. Head over to the integration page on QuadPay and copy and paste that whole thing. Well, copy it, and then you're going to look for all the way at the bottom of the theme liquid section will be the word body. So I had to search it, but it's all the way at the bottom of the page, and right in front of that you're going to go ahead and paste that link, the little code you just got from the QuadPay page. So now when you go to any product on your website, you should see the little QuadPay thing, like split in fours, under every single product. Okay, so I've been in contact with QuadPay for a little while, and it's just everything wasn't working on how to integrate the payment into my Shopify store. And it turns out it's because I signed up for Stripe, which is the payment processor I showed you, with my debit card instead of like my bank routing number. So that's what I'm about to do, and hopefully we can get this finished. Okay, so now I grabbed my merchant ID. So what we're gonna do is go to payments over here. So these are all the things I'm using right now. So we're going to scroll down to choose alternative payment. Click. So it's like you see all these different payment things. So you all know Affirm, Afterpay, Alipay. So all these little different payment options you could use, right? So they probably Klarna on here. I know they put those ads in my videos most of the time. But I'm just gonna search QuadPay. Search QuadPay. Click QuadPay. I have a merchant ID and everything, so I'm just gonna go paste my merchant ID in here. I'll be right back. Gotta hide that. Go to my website and act like I am buying something from myself. Okay, so I've selected QuadPay as the payment. So you just scroll down. Let me scroll down. Scroll down. You press complete order. And bam, we officially have QuadPay on our site. Okay, so I hope that was easy enough. I just wanted to show you all I made this cute little graphic for my Instagram. I made that little post, and I'm just working on the story post to let everyone know I had it. But that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a great day, you guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.